In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Sendwave account. By the end, you'll have a brand new account ready to use for fast, secure money transfers. Keep your phone nearby with a good internet connection and make sure you can receive text messages on the number you plan to register. Start by opening the Sendwave app on your phone. If it's your first time, give the app any permissions it requests so it can function properly. On the home screen, look for the sign up option and tap it. You'll be asked for your full name. Enter it exactly as it appears on your government-issued ID to avoid verification problems later. After that, type in your email address. Use an email you can access easily since receipts and important notifications will be sent there. You'll now see a small flag icon next to the phone number field. Tap the flag to set your correct country code. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find your country, for example, United States, then select it. With the right country code in place, enter your mobile number, double check that every digit is correct and that you're not adding a leading zero after the country code. This number is important because Sendwave will send your verification code to it. Next, tap the prompt that asks where you're sending first. Choose the country you plan to send money to. This helps the app set up your default sending route and show you the right options from the start. You'll likely see a checkbox for agreeing to the terms and privacy policy. Review if you'd like. Then check the box to continue. When everything looks good, tap Sign Up. A text message with a verification code will be sent to the phone number you entered. Keep the app open and watch for the code to arrive. If your phone suggests autofill, confirm the digits are correct. Enter the verification code exactly as shown to verify your number. You'll now be prompted to create a secure PIN. Choose a PIN that's memorable to you but hard for others to guess, and avoid repeating digits. Tap Create PIN, then re-enter the same PIN to confirm. Tap Confirm PIN to finish the setup. You should see a message indicating your account has been created successfully. That's it. Your Sendwave account is ready. From here, you can explore adding recipients and setting up a payment method when you're ready. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new account.